Hey everyone, it's Catherine here with Flywheel, and today I am incredibly excited to announce a new feature that's going to empower your marketers to activate impactful audiences faster than ever. Now, we all know that identifying and targeting data-driven customer segments is critical to revenue growth, but we also know that that process can be a lot more complex than it sounds. Your marketers spend their days focused on developing strategy, not on understanding the intricacies of your customer database. And this disconnect can lead to real friction when it comes time to translate those strategies into actual customer segments based on the data in your data warehouse. So here at Flywheel, we set out to develop a new feature that could package together strategy and data in a single intelligent solution. That's why today we're rolling out Flywheel Recipes, a marketplace of audience concepts specific to your organization. This feature takes into account your industry, your growth goals, and the data available in your data warehouse in order to propose high-impact audience templates developed based on the collective expertise of top industry leaders. So what does Flywheel Recipes look like in practice? Today, the Recipes Marketplace consists of upsell, cross-sell, churn prevention, and winback templates, all available at the click of a button. Within seconds of selecting a recipe, Flywheel will auto-populate the required fields from your data warehouse. And from there, you're able to add any additional criteria, change your filters, and export to up to 30 sales and marketing destinations. You can also leave this recipe as a customized template to be used by the rest of your marketing organization. Flywheel Recipes truly does eliminate that friction between data and strategy, empowering your teams to instantly leverage proven segmentation strategies. To chat with us more about your opportunities for intelligent segmentation, you can visit us at flywheelsoftware.com or send us a note at solutions@flywheelsoftware.com.